going to see a skit based on true events. Because my teacher, Kavita ma'am, faced this in her life. We narrated this skit for you. Now I'll introduce the characters. Mr. Wagner, Mrs. Wagner, and the daughter, Miss Leah. Now from the hospital. The nurse, Mrs. Daphne, Mr. Navis, the medical representative, and the doctor, Miss Philip. The Wagner family came from Germany to France for a marriage occasion, but suddenly the daughter got really sick, so they had to rush to the hospital for an emergency. Since they don't know the language of French, let's see what happens next.
Je ne sais pourquoi j'allais danser à Saint-Jean aux Musettes, mais il m'a suffi d'un seul baiser pour que mon cœur soit brisé. Comment
Was passer?
Chiffon Womot.
My daughter can ball. My daughter can ball. Quel est le problème?
She had fever and apprehension.
Je ne comprends pas.
Chiffon Womot.
I don't understand what you are speaking. Wait, I call the doctor. Don't cry. Doctor, emergency.
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Qu'est-ce que c'est passé?
She had fever and apprehension.
Je ne comprends pas qu'est-ce que vous dites.
Sir, can you help you in translating German because they know only German?
Yes, please.
She had fever and apprehension.
Elle a de la fièvre et vomit continuellement.
Depuis quand vous avez mal à l'estomac?
Sit one haben Sie Magen, Schwarzen.
Said the Morgan.
De la matin.
Ici les médicaments maintenant j'ai connais votre problème.
These medicamente regulation.
Now check the BP. 32. Take the injection. She is dehydrated.
She is dehydrated.
She was dehydrated, but just good.
Now she is fine.
Leah, wake up. Leah, wake up. Danke.
Merci.
Mercy.
Danke. Danke.
Thank you.
Mr. and Mrs. Wagner family got help from a medical representative because he translated German to French and French to German, conveying the medicators to be fastened to Miss Leah. In this way, Mr. Narvis, the medical representative, is a lifesaver.
How are you all? Yes. I'm Darshan and I'm here to explain why improving multiple languages are really essential. It helps you improve your thinking and your communication skills. It helps you understand more cultures and it can help you open door to really big opportunities, life changing as you can say, related to your career. தமிழ் கற்பிக்கும் போது மலையாளமும் கன்னடமும் போன்ற திராவிட மொழிகள் மற்றும் கொரியனும் ஜப்பனீஸும் போன்ற வெளிநாட்டு மொழிகள் அறிந்து கொள்ள முடியும். நீங்கள் ஒரு தமிழ் அறிஞராக இருக்கலாம், இல்லைன்னா ஒரு தமிழ் எழுத்தாளராக இருக்கலாம். அது வச்சு மற்றவங்களோட உணர்வுகள் புரிய முடியும். எக்ஸாம்பிள், உங்களோட தாத்தா பாட்டி கோனே கூப்பிடுவாங்க சாமியில் கரெக்டாக? Benefits of learning German and French are on peut obtenir un bourse complete pour étudier in Europe. Means if you study the language German or French, you can have education life-changing opportunities in that country. You can study in the country for free. Man kan sogar sein by größer Ereignissen vertritt. You can represent countries when learning the language. You can express a message or you can communicate with others using that language. À découvrir la culture et l'espèce impasse le comme Oktoberfest, die sprechen so offene Toltoren. It means you can have experience with great innovation and even greater culture, and these languages can help you come at the top of the world. Now I would like to call Abhishek to explain the benefits of learning Hindi.
सबको मेरा प्रणाम. मैं अभिषेक हूँ. एक से अधिक भाषा बोलने के फ़ायदे के बारे में बोलने वाले हूँ. संचार कौशल में सुधार. एक से अधिक भाषा बोलने से आप विभिन्न लोगों के बेहतर ढंग से संवाद कर सकते हैं. सांस्कृतिक सोच समझ वृद्धि. विभिन्न भाषा सीखने से आप विभिन्न संस्कृतियों को बेहतर ढंग से समझ कर सकते हैं. एक से अधिक भाषा बोलने के फ़ायदे के बारे में बोलने वाले हों. आपका आत्मविकास और व्यक्तिगत विकास समझ कर सकते हैं. धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, Abhishek. In our Kalvi Intercontinental School, the teachers there help us to master and embrace these languages. So then we cannot face issues like we see in this kit. The Wagner family, they had to face issues because they did not know the language, French, in France. One language sets you in a corridor of life, two languages opens every door on the way, says Frank Smith. If you learn one language, the corridors open for you. If you learn two languages or even more, all the doors are open. I want to thank you all for listening. Danke, merci, nandri and dhanyavad.
Kalvi Intercontinental School.